Okay, so I'm going to show you how to share a playlist with your class from YouTube. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm actually just going to start with a new window. So I'm just pretending that I'm starting from the very beginning, and I'm going to YouTube. Obviously, I like the Smurfs. Anyway, as part of our COSCK8 accounts, I believe it automatically creates a YouTube channel for us, and you can verify that. And of course, you need, I guess I should say, you also need to be signed into your Gmail account in Chrome. So here I am, and then if I go to my triple lines over here, you can see that there's the library, and then this shows my playlists. So right now we're in Mesopotamia Social Science. So I am going to click on my Mesopotamia playlist, which is really short, and it's really just introductory. So this assumes that you've already made your playlist, and now you want to share it. So you can see there are just 2 videos, and I could move them around. You can see changing the order of them, and then it shows 1, 2, and of course there's always the play all option for the students. And now I'm going to click on edit. And so you can see in the middle, after the play all, there's the share button and the familiar share icon, and you're going to click on that, and then you can see that it creates a link, and it's already highlighted blue, which means it's already selected. So I'm just going to Command C the link, and then I'm going to go over to, sorry, I don't know why it started. So I'm going to open a new tab and do classroom.google.com. So I'm just starting fresh, as if I don't have all my tabs up. That's great.
A brief history of Mesopotamia.
That's great. Yes, just ignore. So now I'm going to get rid of that YouTube tab. All right, so let's say I wanted to post the blueberries as an example. And so I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click the plus button, even though I'm doing this as last year's class, just because I don't want to mess with my class this year. So I'm going to move my little screen button. I'm going to click create an announcement, and then I'm just going to say, hello, amazing blueberries. Please use the attached link to view the introductory videos about Mesopotamia. We will be answering some discussion questions about the videos in class tomorrow. And of course you can make specific questions relating to the videos for your class. So I already have the topic Mesopotamia. I'm going to click on the link icon, Command V, add link, saving, and now I'm going to post. Okay, there it is. So hopefully that gives you pretty basic information about how to share your playlist with your class.